She walked into the building having so much confidence as a first-year teacher that other people started asking her questions because she was owning the room like she was meant to be there. And let me tell you how this is possible, because she's healing with 5D plus frequencies. She's stepping into the energy and the frequency of who it is that she desires to be at a soul level, not because she's trying to be somebody, but because she is embodied in her soul's truth, in her soul's essence. And this woman is not just a first-year teacher, which she is so clearly in her zone of genius. She is also a Reiki master of a traditional style of Reiki and is getting certified and trained in quantum illumination Reiki. She was running QIR in a specific frequency so that she could go into what it was that she was learning to be able to take in the information, to be able to have it anchor in. But in this instance, she was also vibrating a frequency that gave her so much confidence in this own it energy. And by the way, this didn't come from her practicing in the mirror. This didn't come with her meditating and visualizing her way there. This didn't come from her connecting with her higher self as she walked into this building. This came from clearing out the low frequencies with 5D plus frequencies. Now, we love traditional styles of Reiki. I'm a multi-Reiki master myself, but what we know to be true is that it's not healing at these depths. It is moving out and balancing and balancing your frequency, clearing out like the sludge, and also is just like reharmonizing, realigning you to you, right? At a conscious, physical, and energetic level. When you're working with 5D plus frequencies, with new earth frequency, with energy and frequency that is within the quantum field that heals across the lines of time, what's happening is you are creating transformations that are quick, that are lasting, and they naturally alchemize the low frequencies. What does that even mean? Because that's a lot of stuff, right? So what this means is when you are healing with 5D plus frequencies, what happens is you automatically are clearing out those low frequencies. You're alchemizing them in a way that's soothing to your nervous system. For example, maybe you are experiencing imposter syndrome. Maybe you are doubting your next level of your vision, mission, purpose, and passion. Maybe you desire to speak on stages or write books or just be in that own it confidence energy as the woman and the healer that you know that you are meant to be. Doesn't require more meditation. It doesn't require 500 different Reiki sessions and years of peeling back inner child work. It's simply by activating 5D plus frequencies, clearing out. Sometimes it's clearing out in the root chakra where that energy lies. Sometimes it's tapping into, like, for example, your 8th chakra and you're doing soul level healing. Sometimes it's tapping into the 11th chakra and doing karmic level, clearing out and releasing karmic patterns and cycles in a way that puts you back into your soul essence. But what happens when you are healing at 5D plus frequencies and the energy and the frequency of the quantum field is you are coming home to you. This isn't about bypassing, because that's not what's happening at all. What happens is you are going from the subconscious to the conscious awareness, and now you are aware of what it is that needs to be healed, cleared, and released, or you have these aha moments, and it doesn't require more journaling. It simply requires you to continue to move forward in your power, to continue to choose you over and over again, and you get closer and closer home to you. This is just one example of what happens inside of our certification program. Not only is she getting the monthly group Quantum Illumination Reiki sessions, which PS link is in the bio if you want to experience this, but also she is going through our certification program for Quantum Illumination Reiki. And the way that I teach is through fun, flow, play, and ease, which means this: you are automatically healing yourself while you're going through the program in a way that's soothing and gentle to your nervous system. So you're automatically vibrating higher. You're automatically bringing in your desires. You're automatically closer home to your soul essence and your gifts, which means you're closer home to your confidence and who it is that you are.